It's 1:20 here in the afternoon sa Qatar, guys. So, April 1. So, this is how we spend our first day of the Holy Week. So, actually, we're done having our lunch. Nag-order lang si Caro sa Lapas Batchoy at hindi nga namin naubos ang mga food. Nag-order siya ng lugaw, tapos tofu. Ayun, si Carol naman, movie watching. Ayun. Si Milo, as usual. Oh. Ako kakatapos lang maligo. Si Carol tapos na yan maligo, magang maaga. Same with Kuya Tyler, nakapa-haircut na rin. So, ana lang ang life namo diri sa Qatar, guys, during Holy Week. Kamo, how are you there? Kumusta? So far, yung tension dito, uh, ang development getting better naman. So, anak lang. Hi, Me. Say hi to everyone, Me. Me, say hi to everyone. Me.
Hi everyone!